Hello, Jody here from Joli Natural Skincare. Today I have a different type of video for you. Today I'm offering a giveaway over $300 worth of goodies in time for Christmas. If you spend $50 or more online at the Joli website, you can win these goodies. So let's give a rundown of what you get. Firstly, Charlotte Tilbury eye palette, eyeshadow palette. These are the colours that you get. It's a really beautiful palette. Very lovely, look at that. If we open it up, look, and it's got glitters in it. Lovely. Who doesn't love glitters? Look at that, absolutely stunning. And this is called the Smoky palette. And the write-up for this says something like smoky eyes never goes out of fashion. And I'm sure we all agree. Next we have a Kakadu waterlilly crystal candle. These candles are handmade by a local lady and they're just really, really lovely. Look at that, it's beautiful, and it smells divine. I mean, that's just lovely, isn't it? Next we have some lovely handmade soaps from another Australian small business. I think this is the first time I've ever been on screen with my glasses on. And look at them, they're just gorgeous. Handmade. Let me read to you the scents. The paper's probably too loud and you can't hear me. Eucalyptus, gold clay and hemp. Lemon balm and finger lime. Smells refreshing. Mulled wine. Hubby's an absolute fan of mulled wine right now. We got a mulled wine candle and he loves it. And then we have lavender, pink and purple clay. Isn't it beautiful? So these are all handmade artisan soaps. And I love supporting small business. I think it's just a wonderful thing to do. In saying that, flipping from small business to big business, we have an Bache Superfluid Great SPF 50 Skin Tint Cream Beige Sunscreen. And this one here, I can't use it right now because you're going to win it, so you want to use it, so I'm not going to touch it. But it comes out a nice light beige tint, and it's very subtle. It goes on in a nice sort of liquidy solution, so it's not super thick. It is thick, but not super thick. But it melts into your skin, and so you can't really see the tint. It won't colour your skin so dramatically, so anybody of any skin colour can use it. Next we have Bramberry Hedge fudge, and it's vegan, but look how gorgeous that is. I love how they decorate their fudge, and it's called Flavours of the Garden. What one is this one? Flavours of the Garden? Yes, it is, and it looks like Flavours of the Garden. It's just gorgeous. And then we have, it can't be Flavours of the Garden because they're both Flavours of the Garden. So let's have a look. Sticky Date and Caramel, vegan, nougat, not fudge, I was close, nougat. And that's just beautiful. and wild raspberry and vanilla bean nougat. How beautiful. Then we also have a couple of Joli products. Firstly, we have a moisturising lip balm with a difference. This one has got a tint in it. It's a nice sort of lipstick colour, a magenta cherry lipstick colour. This is the lipstick itself. I'll put that on my hand so you can see. Look at that, that's just delightful. Let's just put some on, shall we? And it's the usual moisturising lip balm, long-lasting richness. It's really moisturising, hence why it's called moisturising lip balm, but it's just beautiful to put on. I don't know if I've done that very evenly. It reminds me, I was thinking of making a video of doing something, some sort of makeup or facial or whatever, blindfolded. Anyway, I digress. And lastly, we have the Rose Clay Mask. And this clay mask is getting really good reviews at the moment. It's people are loving it. It's really good for oily skin. It sucks up excess oil, but it's also good for aging skin because the rose essential oil is a tonic to your skin. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful mask. So you can see here as I open it, there's a little bit of extra room in the top. That's so that you can mix it when you get it. It's still 100 grams, but you want to be able to mix the clay. And you also want to be able to get the brush in the jar. And if it's full to the brim, you can't do any of that without making a mess. So let me just apply some. I'm sure it looks unusual, half a face. But it's a very nourishing clay mask as well. Where am I going to put this brush? And it goes on wet, but it dries over time. And then when it dries, you just wash it off with a warm flannel. It's a really, really lovely mask. Yeah, as I said, it's getting rave reviews. I love it. Those who use it love it. So yeah, it's a wonderful, wonderful mask to use. Suits all skin types. So this is the pack. This is the things that you'll be getting. So the T's and C's are, that's obviously available to Australian citizens. I don't ship overseas. And it's open from the start of November to the end of November. And any order over 50, you go in the draw automatically to win, and then your name will be drawn and announced on the social media networks, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Feel free to follow us on all of those platforms, as well as like and subscribe to YouTube so that you can get updates and see other videos and things. And yeah, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. And as always, thank you so much for watching.